Okay, let's go. Visa Portugal for Americans step-by-step guide. Step 1. Identify visa type. Choose the right visa for your trip. The first step is to determine which type of visa is best for you and then see what you need to apply for a visa. You will also need to know what documents you must submit with your application and the fees you will have to pay. Step 2. Begin your application. Get started with your visa application. Once you are ready to apply, you can submit the necessary documents to the Visa Application Center. Step 3. Book an appointment. Choose a visa application center and make an appointment. You will need to book an appointment to have your fingerprints and photos taken at the visa application center. This is known as biometric information. Once you've booked your appointment, you will receive an appointment confirmation mail along with the letter of appointment. If you are part of a family or group, you have to book individual appointments for each member of the family or group. Step 4. Pay your fees. Find out the amount you need to pay. Once you have made your application, you will need to pay your visa application fee. Step 5. Visit a visa application center. Attend your scheduled appointment. You will have to complete and submit a complete visa application form at the Visa Application Center in person. We will give you more information about the forms and other documents later. Step 6. Track your application. Stay informed about the progress of your application. You will receive an email update when your decision has been returned to the Visa Application Center. You can also track your visa application status online. Use the reference number present on the invoice issued by the Visa Application Center. Step 7. Collect your passport. Receive your passport from the Visa Application Center. Conclusion. The resident visa in Portugal must be requested from VFS Global. Partnering with governments across the world, the VFS Global supports visa applications through the entire application process. Therefore, this company is the official partner of the Embassy of Portugal in USA. You can find the link and more information in the description of this video in the first comment. Thank you very much. I hope these tips help you.